Demos Collective was born in 2015 with a simple goal in mind: make a better snow shovel. We did. Our first shovel was the most crowdfunded ever. Since then, we've existed with another goal in mind: to elevate the art of digging by making the finest shovels in the world. Innovative design, unparalleled strength, and limitless durability. Now we're back with our most anticipated groundbreaking tool yet. Introducing the Delta Shovel, a full-sized, fully collapsible, fail-proof 3-in-1 shovel built for the most demanding jobs. American heritage manufacturing, premium materials, and cutting-edge engineering combined for the most advanced shovel ever made. With the Delta, we set out to solve the problem of a shovel that is both extremely powerful and packable. Before the Delta, you had military surplus e-tools that were designed in World War I for trench warfare and digging on your knees. But let's face it, no one wants to use a short-shafted e-tool if they don't have to. On the other end of the spectrum, you have full-size contractor shovels that are heavy and not portable. They're a non-starter for situations where weight and space are at a premium. The Delta compromises on nothing. Full-sized and fully packable, the Delta Shovel gives you the portability of an e-tool with the strength of a full-sized shovel. Use it as a shovel or a hoe at your desired shaft length. Then, you can completely fold it up to stow, pack, or rack it. The Delta blade is offered in either aircraft-grade 6061 aluminum for a lightweight but strong option that never rusts, or a 12-gauge cold-rolled steel blade that is heavier but uncompromisingly strong. Both blades feature a 2-inch foot pad for optimal leverage and comfort. There's no better way to keep it on hand than with the Delta Shovel rack mount. Built to fit anywhere on your rig with multiple mounting options, lightweight, rattle-free, and lockable, the mount ensures your Delta is always at hand and never in the way. And as with all our products, every aspect of the Delta Shovel and mount, from the materials to the design to the manufacturing, is proudly 100% American. Demos was born in Wyoming and built in Oregon out of American steel and aluminum. Getting your custom Delta Shovel couldn't be easier. Just pick your pledge amount to back the campaign. After that, we'll send you a survey to make your selection in blade material. We built the Delta to be the ultimate shovel for all our outdoor needs. We got our start as a collective, and that's how we operate today. We didn't build the Delta for you. We built the Delta with you. So whether you're an overlander or a backpacker, a firefighter or a gunfighter, the Delta Shovel will be your go-to gear. Get yours now. Break new ground, rescue a truck, plant a tree, or put out a campfire. Do it all with the Delta Shovel. Back our campaign today. We thank you all for your support.